We'll guide you through how to install shaders in Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders go and add different lighting effects and shadows and really enhance the game lighting, so we'll guide you through how you can get them. To get started, quit the game. Here we are on the desktop. So to go and install shaders, we need to go and get a shader launcher essentially. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, and we need to go and search something called Iris Shaders. So type it in like so. We can add Minecraft just to make sure we get to the right place, and then come to irisshaders.dev. Come here, and then what we can do is go and press download now, like so. You can of course go and read about it. We can then press download universal jar. So we've now got the installer. What we now need though is some shader packs to install with Iris. Iris itself doesn't come with shaders. So what we can then do is come to a site like CurseForge. There are other sites you can get packs from as well, and you may even have a pack. So here we are on curseforge.com. You want to go and select Minecraft. We can press browse all at the top, scroll down, and then what you want to do is select shaders. Now we can go and see different packs here. Go and find your favorite. But in this case, I'm going to go and get the complementary shaders. I really like the look of these. Come to the top and press files. When you're browsing through the shader packs, you can always go and find images and go and find the ones you want. As I said though, you can just get multiple packs and go through them. We can then come to the right, press the three dots and press download file, and then what we need to do is wait. It's now downloaded. You can get more packs if you wish. But before we start the install process, a big shout out to Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. If we scroll down, we can go and check out some of their great features. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, keeping your server safe, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can go and get the help anytime you need it. Ultra latency, instant setup, and so much more. So if you're interested in one of these, go and check out the link down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Now let's go and start the install process. So what you need to do is go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. Open it and press downloads to the left. Then what we need to do is go and find Iris Installer. Go and run the Iris Installer like so. It should go and open up like this. If you find that it doesn't or something else opens up, this is because you don't have Java installed. So open up your web browser, and what you need to do is go to java.com like so. You can then press download Java for desktops, download it and install it. Then you can return to Iris, right click on it, hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java and press always. It'll then go and run. What we can then do is select the game version and press install. Now what we need to do is go and wait, it's been completed. In the launcher, we need to make sure we go and run Iris. We'll guide you through how you can do that. Go to the left of play and then select Iris and Sodium. Press play and the launcher will run. So what you need to do is pause the game by pressing escape and press options. Find the option video settings and at the top press shader packs. What we then need to do is go and press open shader pack folder. We now need to come to our downloads, and what we need to do is go and find the pack, drag it in. If you've got multiple, that's fine. When you do that, they should then go and appear. Make sure shaders are enabled. You can then select the pack, press apply. It may go and freeze for a moment as it loads the shaders, and here we are. As you can see, shaders look absolutely incredible.